Wait, Isaac, what are we doing?
Playing Jenga.
What are we playing?
Playing Jenga.
Jenga. How do you play Jenga? Oh, good job. Oh, nice. Whose turn is it?
Yours.
Okay, let me see. Hold on. Oh, yeah. I'm scared. Who won the last game?
I did.
No, you didn't. You made him crash. I won, no? Okay, let's go. Careful. This is scary, Jenga, huh? Look at his fingers. Are you getting it? Oh yeah, careful.
Your turn.
Oh my god, this is scary.
I got it down.
See this one. Oh yeah. Do not touch the coffee table. Put that off.
Look, I got a cold.
Yes, you are sicky poo.
Yeah.
You're my sicky poo. That's why we're home today. Oh, good job. I love how there's only one and he'll push on that one. That's just one holding it. Get his concentration. Oh.
Is it gonna fall?
I don't know. Good job. Who made it fall last time?
I did.
Yeah. All right, let's see. Let's see if we could do this.
What?
I'm scared. Ooh, I see 3. Oh, yeah. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. Woohoo!
No, that's not very cheating.
Excuse me.
You're cheating.
Oh, sorry. I thought it was the right way.
No, you don't win.
I'll win. I'll win. You're gonna win? Okay, I think you're gonna win too.
I think who's the winner? I know. I'm scared.
You're scared? Don't be scared of blocks.
No, I'm scared for you. Let's go. Well,
Really?
your turn.
You know, I'm not liking this game. You're making me maybe lose. Oh, they're all shaking. I don't want to play this game no more. I quit.
You can't quit.
I can't quit. But they're all so hard.
You have to do it somewhere here.
Hey, isn't it my turn? Why are you touching them?
I'm going to show you how to.
No, get out. Look at this one. I found one. Please don't fall.
You're the winner.
I'm not the winner yet. Alrighty, let's go. Let's go.
Okay, we're not playing this game anymore.
Why?
Then it's going to be too hard.
It's not hard. You know how to do it.
It's going to be.
Come on. You can do it. Really? Oh my goodness. Look how he puts them on top. Millie, you can't do that. You have to just put one there. Okay. Oh, it's kind of lopsided. Ah,
No.
I know, right? La 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 la. Ooh, can't do that one. Ooh, not gonna do that one. I'm scared. Ooh.
Mom, you could do this
Huh? No! You're trying to make me lose. I know you are. Alrighty.
I'm not playing this game anymore because there's so much holes.
I know, but it's cool. You could do it.
What do we have to do it?
Just try it. You're the best. Jenga!
Jenga!
Who won? Good job.
Okay, let's clean.